Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I thought today we would do a video kind of working on a couple of projects in here. I haven't actually decided what I'm gonna make yet, but I wanted to look at the wood that I have in here and see what I can make. But then I was looking around and I was thinking, you know, there's no holiday spirit in here. It doesn't feel like Christmas. So I think what this space needs is a Christmas tree. Maybe a hatchet or saw. We'll continue looking. I don't know. What do you think, Darwin? Kind of thinking this is the one. Well, it looks good on one side. It's like a sad little tree. The light in here. Okay, I kind of feel like mission accomplished. Now let's make something, shall we? You guys ever do that? Coming to your shop and have no idea what it is that you're gonna make, but then figure, you know what? It's gonna come to me once I look at what I have to work with. We got some stuff here. Got some really thin stuff here. Ooh, a little box. Curved roof or something. I don't know, I'm just thinking out loud. So to start, I thought let's do a box that I've never done before. One that kind of looks like a little tiny treasure chest. I was thinking some of these really thin pieces could be cool, like for the lid. It's like I haven't done anything with hand tools in a while. I haven't been tinkering in here much, and I just forgot about how much I like it. It's so much fun. I also realized that I spent a lot of time basically cutting little blocks in simple angles that would have been, you know, take 2 minutes with power tools. This is what I got. It's like this stuff is super thin, but it is mesquite, so it is a hard wood. So I think it's very springy, so I think it should be okay. I'll use this for the bottom, top, and the sides. I look over all the time and I was like, it's nice to have a tree in here. It looks so cozy. They say it may snow later today. We'll see. See how my glue up is looking. Okay, let's put on our tree. I came out here last night and glued on another piece here. I should be ready to glue on the lid part. Looking good? Last night I was thinking, should I clean up before I leave? And I was like, I'm gonna create an angle here. Infinitely easier to reduce this in size with a hand plane as opposed to a saw. I kind of feel like nothing is going to be as good as my hands holding this down. I'm a human clamp. I've been sitting here for a good 10 minutes. Which is fine. So how's it going? Oh, you know what? I could take this opportunity to tell you guys about a fun giveaway that we're doing. So I'm doing this video in collaboration with Refrigiwear, this very, very cozy sweater. They make a lot of different clothes for cold temperatures so that you can be outside and work and, you know, you're not uncomfortable. They got really great stuff. So we're doing a giveaway where one of you lucky winners will get a jacket and you'll get my project. But this jacket and all their clothes, they are so cozy and so warm. They have overalls too, which I absolutely love. It hasn't been really cold enough here for overalls, but last year when we had some snow, I used them all the time outside. And plus, if you're actually doing work outside, you know, if you're outside doing construction or you're in the woods, you know, chopping down trees or whatever, overalls are the best. So to enter the giveaway, you go to my Instagram at Darbin Orvar, and you make sure you follow me, and you make sure you follow Refrigiwear at Refrigiwear, and then you can comment on the post, and then I'll announce a winner in a couple of days. And I'll put all the details and everything in the description below. So fun little giveaway, and yeah, these clothes, I mean, I can definitely vouch for them. I've been wearing them for years now, and there is really nothing better when it's cold. They really do a good job with their outfits. I think we're good now. Don't move. So I have the box in here carefully. I got a Japanese saw. I'm gonna try to cut it open and hopefully not mess it up too much. So I've decided to kind of cut it where I actually glued the two pieces on. So there is like a natural glue line there already. Kind of think visually it'd be neater to just have one line open. But it's kind of fun when you glue it shut and then open it back up again. Okay, well, this turned out pretty good. Nice clean cut. I'm going to sand this and make it a little bit smoother. Okay, so I was debating about ways to close and open the box, you know, like a hinge clasp situation. And like the thing about this box is that the sides are so thin, you know, what is it, like a 1/16 of an inch? I mean, it's really thin. So any screws are going to have to be filed down, or you know, they're going to protrude or whatever. But then I was thinking, how about kind of take it in this treasure chest area and use leather strips, and then I can kind of do like this, and I can get them like this all down, and then maybe I can have like snaps or something that you push and then it closes, and then I can glue this on with like contact cement, which is pretty strong, and that would be working as both hinges as a clasp. So kind of a neat solution, I think. Every time I do snaps or rivets, I have to refamiliarize myself. How do they fit together? And then undoubtedly, there are always some mess-ups. So, I cut more leather. These were no good. I was thinking other things that I do from time to time and always have to refamiliarize myself with are how to cut dovetails, any jig, drawer slides, rivets, and snaps. I felt like this was coming off a little bit, so I put blue tape everywhere to keep clamped in place while it's setting up. So the little box here, it's so cute. I really like it. It's not completely dry yet. I'm gonna wait till the finish cures, absolutely. And then I'm gonna add some wax polish. I think I'm gonna go with mineral oil because then I can do the leather as well. So I had decided to add some stitching here and here, like on all the points. For time if you're pulling and stuff, you know, figured that would be a better solution. I always liked pieces that looked kind of like old luggage or, you know, old chests, and, you know, they combine the wood and the leather. And this is really it, like in a miniature form, right? Like a little tiny treasure box. And I kind of wish I had made two because I really like it. I kind of want to keep one for myself. But I think we're gonna make another one because it was such a fun little project. I like the shape and just that it was really easy to do. It wasn't difficult. It was just very enjoyable. It was very fun. So one of you guys are going to win one of these, this one. I only made the one. And a jacket from Refrigiwear. So that is pretty neat. And in order to enter, I'll put all the information in the description, but basically go to my Instagram at Darbin Orvar, follow me, follow Refrigiwear, and comment on the posts. I usually don't do this. I usually don't give away stuff that I made like this. So this is kind of a rare opportunity. And I really wanted to just do something fun for this chance to do this. And I really like it. I was reminded when I was in here just how much I love making boxes, and I just want to get into it again. I want to make more boxes. And I really want to combine more leather too, like this, because it's really the best. It's really nice to use the wax polish on both the wood and the leather. Gives it a nice feel. This leather was really thirsty. But anyway, thanks for hanging in there and watching this video with me. Hope you enjoyed the project. I think something like this would be a really cool kind of last minute gift to make too if you have some scraps, because that's really what this whole thing was. I wanted to do something with scraps. This is made with offcuts, literally, that were going in the burn pile that I saved and made a box with. So very cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye. Let's see. Maybe I should send along the winner a little extra gift. A little linseed oil sample. Wax tin. A little treasure inside, right? My kid was in here before, and he said this is his box now. I said sorry, it's not your box, but maybe I'll make you a different one.